rotors shearing, fuselages breaking apart, helicopters crashing, fireballs, 120 commandos aboard, killed instantly. Only 2 helicopters survived first volley. 2 surviving helicopters attempted landing 50 m from general's position. Doors open. Commandos fast roping. 20 commandos descending ropes trying to reach ground grab general. Complete mission. But 180 Marines firing M4 rifles. Concentrated fire. Targeting commandos on ropes. Exposed, vulnerable, impossible to return fire while descending. 20 commandos hit while fast roping. Fell from ropes dead before hitting ground. 0 reached Earth. 0 threatened general. Perfect defense. 2 helicopters seeing commandos killed attempted immediate takeoff. Escaping, retreating, but Marines ready. Captain Rivera reloading Stingers. Engage remaining helicopters. Stinger teams reloaded fresh missiles. 8 missiles remaining. Locked onto 2 fleeing helicopters. Fired. Both helicopters hit, exploded, crashed. All 14 helicopters destroyed at 2:35 p.m. 5 minutes after attack began. All 14 North Korean helicopters destroyed. All 140 commandos killed. General Morrison completely safe. 0 American casualties. Perfect defense. Kidnapping failed catastrophically, but operation continuing. North Korea sent 14 helicopters. Attempted kidnapping American general violated DMZ. Unacceptable. Retaliation necessary. U.S. Air Force scrambled fighters. 6 F-16s from Asan Air Base armed with precision bombs targeting North Korean helicopter bases. Immediate response authorized. At 2:40 p.m., 6 F-16s reached North Korean airspace. Identified helicopter base where 14 Mi-8s originated. Hangju Airfield. Additional helicopters present. Ground crews, fuel storage, maintenance facilities, everything targeted. F-16s released GBU-38 JDAM bombs. 24 precision weapons targeting runways, hangars, fuel depots, control tower, aircraft parking, complete destruction intended. Bombs struck, explosions across airfield, runways cratered, hangars collapsed. Remaining helicopters destroyed on ground, fuel depot massive fireball, control tower obliterated. Airfield rendered non-operational. Additional targets struck. 5 more North Korean military installations, radar sites, command centers, artillery positions, all supporting kidnapping operation. All destroyed. 27 minutes after attack began, complete retaliation finished. At 2:57 p.m. Operation Guardian Shield complete. All 14 helicopters destroyed. All 140 commandos killed. General Morrison safe. 6 North Korean bases struck in retaliation. 0 American casualties. Perfect defense. Overwhelming response. South Korean president praised operation. North Korean attempt to kidnap American general was a brazen act of war. U.S. Marines defended brilliantly. Ruse alliance is unbreakable. We stand together always. Japan. North Korean aggression threatens regional stability. We support American defensive actions. Alliance cooperation essential. Pentagon statement. North Korean forces attempted kidnapping U.S. commanding general. 180 Marines defended him perfectly. All hostile forces eliminated. 6 North Korean bases struck in retaliation. Any attack on American personnel will be met with overwhelming response. General Morrison continues his duties. Mission successful. North Korean state media claimed victory. Korean People's Army conducted successful military exercise near DMZ. All objectives achieved. Minor equipment losses during planned training. American propaganda about kidnapping attempt is complete fabrication. Lies. 14 helicopters destroyed. Debris field visible from satellites. International witnesses, 140 bodies, truth undeniable. General Morrison continued inspection after attack. Unshaken, professional, impressed by Marines. 180 Marines just saved my life. Shot down 14 helicopters, killed 140 attackers. Not one enemy reached me. This is why America wins. Our Marines are unstoppable. Strategic impact catastrophic for North Korea. Kim Jong-un's kidnapping plan complete disaster. 14 Mi-8 helicopters destroyed. Significant portion of transport fleet cannot replace easily. 140 elite commandos killed. Special operations forces, trained personnel, irreplaceable losses. 6 bases struck, Hangzhou airfield destroyed, 5 additional facilities damaged, operational capability degraded. Strategic setback, international humiliation complete. Attempted kidnapping American general failed totally. 14 helicopters shot down, every commando killed. General continued inspection afterward. World watched North Korea fail spectacularly. 180 Marines earned commendations, decorations, presidential recognition. Defended commanding general. Perfect execution. 0 casualties. Historic defense mission success absolute. The day North Korea tried kidnapping American general and lost everything. 2:30 p.m. 14 helicopters crossed DMZ. 140 commandos aboard. Mission kidnap General Morrison. Take to Pyongyang. Ransom. Propaganda. Victory. 2:57 p.m. 27 minutes later, all 14 helicopters destroyed. All 140 commandos killed. General Morrison safe. 6 bases struck. Kidnapping failed completely. 180 Marines don't let anyone take their general. Stingers destroy helicopters. Rifles kill commandos. Perfect defense always. 14 helicopters sent. 14 helicopters destroyed. 27 minutes total failure. Never try kidnapping American generals. Never cross DMZ for American blood. Never think 180 Marines can be overwhelmed. 27 minutes later. Helicopters burning, commandos dead, generals safe, bases destroyed. Attack American leadership. Face annihilation every time. No exceptions.